4-rider group intercom setup guide. Step 1. Power on all device and switch to group intercom mode. When powered on, the device defaults to Bluetooth intercom mode. You can press the mode button to switch between modes. Step 2. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4 long, press the mode button for 3 seconds, enter pairing mode. Step 3. Number 1, click the mode button, enter search mode. Waiting for pairing. When the indicator lights of the 4 devices are all flashing blue, all devices have paired successfully. Step 4, number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4, click the power button to enter the intercom state. Now you can click the power button to exit or restore intercom.